Hi there and welcome to this video on tensile testing of materials, which is still part of the mechanics of materials. So the material properties of engineering materials are often determined by a tension test. In such a test, the load or stress acting on the material is increased at a steady rate whilst measuring the stress until the material fractures. The reason we go at a steady rate is to keep things consistent. If we do measure it quite quickly, chances are we won't get the same results each time. And it's very similar to what we study in thermodynamics when we refer to a process as being done quasi-statically. We do test in tension, and that's because unlike compression there aren't any frictional forces. And when I say there's not, it's quite negligible. And providing our material is isotropic, any values we do get can also then be applied for compressive stresses, because it has the same properties in all directions, all axes. So if we do a tensile test where the forces are obviously going outwards, we can equally apply that to forces going inwards because we've got an isotropic material. And just to reiterate, isotropic means that it has the same properties in all directions of the material. The strain rate is usually controlled, and this is simply because many materials' mechanical properties vary with the strain rate. So obviously we want to understand the material's properties, so that means we want to carefully consider our strain rate. So that's just briefing you over the tensile testing of materials. Yeah.